Okay, so I recently got hired to film a series of lectures, and lectures can be a little bit boring, but one shot that I really like, the dolly shot. The dolly shot is a classic look. It goes all the way back to old school rock concerts, and now everybody uses it, from Apple to TED Talk, and now even some churches use it in their service broadcast. I do want to be 100% clear about this. You don't need a dolly shot to make a successful lecture style video. The content does that. But I think it 100% ups the production value and makes the company or whoever you're filming it for look more professional. Today I'm going to show you one way to get that dolly shot on a budget and very professionally. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need is a dolly, and I picked up this one from Glide Gear. You can buy this fairly inexpensively. I don't remember how much I got it for, but the link is in the description. The cool thing is that you can put basically any tripod on here because the legs just kind of screw down like that with some clamps. And these come with just normal wheels on here, so you can dolly it on smooth surfaces very easily, and the wheels actually lock with the normal wheels. But the reason that I got this one is because it actually comes with track wheels as well. Track wheels are essentially a set of skateboard wheels set up in a V shape to replace each wheel that's on the dolly. So we'll start by taking off the original wheels and putting on the track wheels. Once we've done that to each leg of the dolly, we'll be able to sit this on a track and slide it around smoothly and as slowly as we want to. In my case, for the track, I just went to the hardware store and bought some 1/2-inch PVC. And I know I need sandbags, but know that in these clips, you're seeing the motion without sandbags being used on the track at all. So now that we've got it all set up, let's get a few test shots. As you can see, it's pretty smooth. One problem that I did see immediately when I was using PVC pipe as opposed to something more stable like steel, galvanized steel or copper, is that the PVC actually moves around, especially if you're on a smooth surface already. One solution that I came up with immediately is just to use some duct tape. That can leave some residue behind on your PVC though, so I wouldn't necessarily recommend that. What I would recommend though is to actually do it the proper way and get some sandbag weights that you can put on the ends of these. I ordered some, but I don't have them in yet, so I wasn't able to use them for this video. If you're interested in how to extend this out, right now I've got probably a good 3 feet of movement with this setup, but I did purchase some extra PVC pipe that's the same length as the PVC that you see here. I think this PVC is like 6 feet, but I bought 2 of them so that I can extend it out and I can actually get much more movement into this track. The cool thing about using this method is that you can take it anywhere. It doesn't matter whether you're on grass, you're in sand, on concrete. You can push it as slow or as fast as you want to. You can actually attach a motor if you want it to and get automated movements. If you're interested in seeing how to do that, leave a like on this video, comment below because that's how I would know that you're interested, but subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss that video if we actually make it, because if there's no interest, then I'm not even gonna bother. Anyway, we'll see you guys in the next video.